Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. If you save your chat in secure storage from Messenger, you can restore your chat on a new device with a PIN. This is the PIN that you created when you first turn on secure storage. Restore chat with a PIN. Messenger.com. On your computer and go to messenger.com. In the second step, enter your PIN and follow the on-screen instructions. Reset your PIN. If you need to reset your PIN, you must use a device that has secure storage on. For that, you can need to follow these steps. First, open Messenger on your device with secure storage on and tap on your profile photo in the corner. In the second step, tap privacy and safety. In the third step, tap end-to-end encrypted chats. In the fourth step, tap secure storage. In the fifth step, tap reset PIN. Here are some additional options to restore your end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.